This is the fastest way to withdraw your crypto to Binance. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. You always get this kind of tutorial all the time. I'll be withdrawing this amount in my wallet very fast to Binance. You tap withdraw. You come down to this place, select payment method. We are using crypto. You tap crypto. Come down here to search for Stellar because we are using Stellar network. We are using USDC Stellar. You tap this one. This is all the amount I have. I want to withdraw all of them. That is 6.19. It is so cheap and very fast. This is the amount I will withdraw. This is the amount I will get. You just tap continue. This is where there will be some delay. You will need to configure your Stellar USDC Binance destination detail here. You come to Binance, you tap add, you select on-chain deposit. Our target is USDC. You select USDC. You look for Stellar. This is Stellar. You tap Stellar. You say okay. You copy both the deposit address and the Memo address. Don't forget that we are here. You tap continue. This is where you store the details that you copied. Don't forget Memo pad is very important. You tap Binance because we are sending to Binance. These are my details which will be blurred. You tap continue. Then you look at the transactions detail. You tap submit. Then you must have copied your code before you come to this place if you are using app. Otherwise it will send you back. You paste it. Look at it. It's completed already. All you need to do is to go to Binance to check the amount. All I need to do is to refresh and this amount will change. Look at it. It has changed. The amount has entered. The reason for this delay is as a result of me explaining how to collect your Binance detail and set it up on AirTM. You see how fast it is to withdraw from AirTM. You can see the money is gone to my Binance exchange account. You can now easily withdraw to Binance from AirTM. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.